Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Karo from Kenya, Africa, and I'm back again with another interesting video. So, welcome to this video, guys. On today's video, I'm going to deep clean my fridge with me, and also maybe we'll do some restock later, maybe in the next video, because this video is going to be a little bit long. Yeah, so welcome to this channel. If it's your first time watching me, kindly consider subscribing, liking, and also sharing us out, guys. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Yeah, so thank you. Watch the video till the end.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And and If you set your mind to a goal, and everything you touch gon' turn gold, there ain't no place you no go fit to go. Even impossible will be impossible. Scale the ocean, soar in the breeze, and nothing go fit try to hold you down. Just stand on your feet, oh, just stand on your feet, Don't fight it, accept it. It's a question of how bad you want it, yeah. If you want to be a wonder, you better start trying to feed your hunger. Fire, yeah. Oh, you know you can fly, yeah, yeah. Scale the sky so high, yeah, yeah. We need a little believing, 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 believing me. Nothing gonna be stopping you. Just a little believing, believing, believing me. Believing, believing you. Nothing gonna be stopping you. Just a little belief. Just go full ride. If you wanna slow down, it's alright. As long as you keep climbing, you keep grinding, keep riding. Cause if you don't do it, nobody else could do it for you, no. And if you don't win this, nobody else go win it for you, no. Don't fight it, accept it. It's a matter of how much you want it, yeah. If you wanna be a wonder, you better start trying to feed your hunger. Fire, yeah. Oh, you know you can fly, yeah, yeah. Scale the sky so high, yeah, yeah. We need a little believing, 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 believing. Nothing gonna be stopping you. Just a little believing, 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 believing. Nothing gonna be stopping you. Just a little believing.
Can I tell you what I loved about you? All the reasons to make it hard without you. Hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've made it less so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue to get lost in the memories. I cannot believe that you left me here now. 'Cause you're not for me to keep, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause you tell me exactly what I should do. Wouldn't be questioning my every move. All I do in me is for you. You, you, you. All I do in me is for you. You, you. All I do in me is for you. Can we rewind, go back to the old nights where I would lay in bed right next to you, right next to you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue is to get lost in the memories. You'd always keep me safe, treat me like the best. Now there's really nothing left, and I hope that you hear me when I talk to you. Trust me, there's a lot of things that I wish you knew. 'Cause you tell me exactly what I should do. Wouldn't be questioning my every move. All I do in me is for you.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you have watched me up to this far, thank you so much. May God bless you. And Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Yeah, and also down on the comment section, you can tell me the kind of videos that you like watching or you love watching so that I can do them for you. Thank you so much and see you on the next video. Bye.